Hello, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. It is Memorial Day, my friends, and it is the start of cookout season. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a must-have side dish at every barbecue: Southern baked beans. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And the best part about this recipe, we're going to use canned baked beans, but we're going to doctor them up, and it's going to be the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, full of barbecue flavor, and it's going to be loaded with ground sausage. Great to serve with hot dogs, hamburgers, ribs, barbecue chicken, or even a meal by itself. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Funfetti Birthday Cake. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So turn on your oven, grab your sausage and your baked beans, sugar, because we're about to bake some baked beans magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Before we begin, I just want to thank all y'all for the lovely birthday wishes. I had an awesome time. Thank you again, my friends. All right, let's get baking. On my cutting board, I have 1 small yellow onion, or you can use white, 1 green bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. First, we're going to mince the garlic. Now we're going to chop the onion. And chop the bell pepper. All right, my friends, I am through chopping my vegetables. Now we're going to set them aside while I get my pot on. In my large pot, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of canola oil, or you can use vegetable or olive oil. Gonna twirl it around so the oil can coat the pot. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it get hot, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the oil's nice and hot. Now we're going to add in our veggies, our diced onion, diced bell pepper, and the minced garlic. Give it a stir. And we're going to let the veggies saute until they're soft and translucent, about 2 minutes. All right, my friends, our vegetables is nice and soft. Smells good. Nothing like the smell of onions, bell pepper, and garlic cooking. About to be something magical. Now it's time to add in the sausage. We're going to add 1 pound of ground breakfast sausage. I'm using pork, or you can use the turkey sausage. And using my meat chopper, we're just going to chop the meat into medium-sized pieces. And we're going to cook the meat until it's no longer pink. And as soon as the meat browns, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, our sausage is nice and brown. Now we are ready to add in our other ingredients. 2 28-ounce cans of baked beans. I'm using the original, nothing fancy, because we're going to add in some other ingredients. And I drained most of the liquid. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of honey barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of molasses, a must-have in baked beans, if I do say so myself, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar to give our beans a little sweetness, and 1/3 cup of barbecue seasoning. You can make your own or use store-bought. And stir all these together until they're well combined. And all we do is bring it to a low simmer. All right, my friends, the beans is nice and simmered. You can see the steam and the little bubbles. We are going to cover the pot. Now we are ready to put our beans in the oven. We're going to bake them on a low temperature, 275 degrees, and it is nice and preheated. We're going to let them bake for 45 minutes, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my beans out of the oven. Let's take a look. Oh, yes. Excellent pot of beans, and the sauce is nice and thick. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And there you have it, my friends. Southern barbecue baked beans. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Tender, sweet, smoky. The sausage is perfectly cooked, and the sauce is super flavorful. These baked beans are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Barbecue baked beans, delicious. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Memorial Day.